I think it's important to note that the actual framework we're working with, all of the contract forms other than the framework itself, which is bespoke for us because there isn't an NEC framework, all of the other contract forms are actually NEC based. So we've got both the professional service contract and the actual subcontract form as well, which was something that our suppliers committed to drive that same culture up and down the supply chain. We've actually also used the NEC form outside of just our framework and are starting to use it on standalone projects. I think it's very much about the way that it creates an environment of open risk identification and transfer and management. We're really seeking to drive waste out of the process. And it really supports what we're trying to achieve in that collaborative approach, working with the BS 11000 standard alongside that as well, being able to create an environment where actually the primary drive of everybody is successful outcome that's going to be mutually beneficial. I would have to say it's the way that it drives a positive approach to contract administration. That's a very difficult thing and isn't easy to establish and to achieve. But actually when you put the focus and the emphasis onto doing it as the project is actively progressing, you remove that often problem that occurs at the end with claims and lots of time and effort and wasted resource at the end of a project. Everyone knows where they stand. And very much the contract is written around creating that environment. We found them very positive. Both membership of the user group, we find we can actually have an open dialogue and actually understand some of the logic and theory behind the way the contract was originally created in the first instance, but also influence its future direction. We can attend events such as the user group conferences, share our knowledge and also gain knowledge and learning from others. We've also used quite extensively the training for services that are provided by the NEC User Group. The Project Manager Accreditation is a course that we've put a number of staff through recently. We found it very positive and beneficial, and we're actually exploring with you putting some people through the forthcoming supervisor course as well. So we're really committed to trying to engage and drive the actual culture and the capability of the whole industry.